Good morning, my dear students. Let us discuss about the rhyme and rhyme scheme. So let us see about the rhyme scheme, because this question can be asked for 2 marks in poetry section. Now see here, rhyme scheme. It is very easy to identify the rhyme scheme. So what should we do? Now see here, rhyme scheme is a poet's deliberate pattern of lines that rhyme with other lines in a poem or a stanza. See here, rhyme scheme is a poet's deliberate pattern of lines that rhyme with other lines in a poem or stanza. So the last word of the first line rhymes with the last word of the second line. So these words are identified as a rhyme scheme or a rhyming words, because these words are rhyming each other with the same sound, same pronunciation. So these last words of the lines or last word of the stanza are recognized as a rhyming words or rhyming scheme. So rhyming scheme is a different pattern. Now see here, the rhyme scheme or pattern can be identified by giving n words that rhyme with each other. The rhyme scheme or pattern can be identified by giving n words that rhyme with each other. So how means rhyme scheme means the last word of the first line and means rhymes with the last word of the second lines, means it is identified by giving the n words. So we have to see the n words of the line, or if the words doesn't rhyme with each other in the line, then we have to see the last word of the stanzas, first stanza and second stanza. So now see here, for example, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. So star are. So the first word, the last word of the first line star rhymes with the last word of the second line. How I wonder what you are, star are, same pronunciation. So rhymes with each other, the last word of the first line and last word of the second line. So star are. So these rhyming each other. These words are rhyming each other, with the same pronunciation. So this now see here, generally the sound of the last word of the first line of a poem follows a certain pattern or scheme, and it is represented by the alphabet A. Suppose the first word of the last word of the first line of a poem thus follows a certain pattern or scheme, and it is represented by the alphabet A. When we are reading the poem or stanza, so we will see the last word of the first line, and then after identify the rhyming word, then a letter should be given. And when we will see the last word of the second line, if rhymes with the last word of the first line with the last word of the second line, so a letter must be given. But if the last word of the second line doesn't rhyme with the last word of the first line, then another letter should be given, B. Now see here, if the second line has the same ending sound, it will be represented by the same alphabet A. What I am saying here? If the second line has the same ending sound, it will be represented by the same alphabet A, because the second last word of the second line rhymes with the last word of the first line, and what we given the letter, A letter is given to the last word of the first line. So the same letter must be given to the last word of the second line, because these words rhymes with each other, the last word of the first line and the last word of the second line. But if the last word doesn't rhyme with the first line of the last word, then the another letter must be given. So B letter must be given to the last word of the second line. If it doesn't rhyme, means it doesn't same sound, ending same sound. So this is alkaline. If it doesn't rhyme, it will be represented by the letter B, and so on. Like this, we have to give the alphabets to the rhyming words. Now see here, rhyme scheme. For example, beat me to whip and I will whip. Beat me to whip and I will whip. So we have to identify the last word whip. Now see here, while I have enjoyed, while I have eyes to see. Eyes to see. Now see here, last word of the first line whip and last word of the second line see. Whip, see means the doesn't rhyming each other. These last word of the two lines doesn't rhymes with the last word of the second line. But when we identify the last word of the first line, whip, so A letter is given. When we see the last word of the second line, C, it doesn't rhyme with the whip, so the another letter is given, B. Now see here, and having and get I will keep. Keep, see, keep, no, doesn't rhyme with each other. So this word rhymes with the last word of the first line, and what letter is given here? A. So the same letter must be given to the second line of the third line, the last word of the third line, A. Then I heard to be for thee. So thee, keep, thee, not rhyming but the same sound, same ending sound, no. So same ending sound, no. So because these words doesn't rhyme with C, and this the rhymes with the last word of the second line, C, D, and what letter is given to the last word of the second line? B. So B letter must be given to the last word of the fourth line. So how it will be the rhyming scheme? Because A, whip, C, keep, D. These are the rhyming words. But rhyming scheme, we have to identify the rhyming scheme. So the whip rhymes with the keep and C rhymes with the D. So the whip, there is given the A letter. C, there is given the B letter. Keep, these rhymes with the whip means so, and already A letter is given. So the same letter must be given to this word keep. Then D. So D. So D, C. These are rhyming words. So same ending sound. And so the already B letter is given. So the C, D. So these words rhyming. These are the rhyming words. So B must be given to the D because C to the C, B is given. And so that's why we have to give the B letter is here. So how it will be the rhyming scheme? A, B, A, B. So A, B, A, B. So there must be space between the letters. A, B, A, B, and should not written with hyphen. Should not be written with hyphen. Means like this. Like this. You should not be write like this. So with space you have to give the rhyming scheme A, B, A, B. And what are the rhyming words? Rhyming word means same sound words. Same ending sound. It will be a same ending sound. It will be the rhyming words. Rhyming words like this same. Suppose we keep. These are the rhyming words. Rhyming words. We keep. We keep. Then C, D. C, D. These are the rhyming words, and this is the rhyming scheme. Okay, so this is about the rhyme scheme. Okay, thank you.